How to fix Instagram Reels friends option not showing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you're in here, simply scroll down and you'll find who can see your content. In there, you'll find Activity in Friends tab. Click on Activity in Friends tab. Then, make sure there is a dot in followers you follow back. After you've done that, see if it works. If it still does not work, open Play Store and search Instagram. And if there is any update available, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issue. Another thing which you can also do is go to Instagram, click on your profile, and then click on three lines at the top right. Here, simply scroll down and search for business tools or account type and tools. Click on it. Here you'll find switch your account option. If you have business account, switch to personal account. If you have personal account, switch to professional account by clicking on switch to professional account. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram Reels friends option not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.